3. Alright. Ano kaya ang napanalunan ng number 1? Okay. Social po ito, pinagandaan. We have prepared for this. That's why the prize for number 1 is Solar Induction Cooker Inverter. Wow! Alright. And your prize is number 1, here's your solar induction cooker. Pakitignan at pakipakita sa kanila. What is it? Ano po yan? Pakilabas. Ilabas mo, pakita mo sa kanila. Ang iyong prize ay uling at fan. Okay. Why do we call it solar induction cooker inverter? Tipid sa kuryente, non-consumable of electricity, and all you need to do is your energy, your own energy. So it depends how, kung gano'ng kalakas yung fire, 1, 2, and 3. Alright? So it depends on you. Congratulations! Just stay there. How about number 2? Your prize is 1,500. Alright? Your 1,500 or 1,500 is 1,500 milliliters of Coca-Cola. Congratulations! And we're down to number 3. Ano kaya ang kay number 3? Number 3, your prize is 5K! 5K! 5K, here's your prize. Patignan, it's 5 kilos of rice. Pinoy, 5 kilos of rice. Congratulations to all our winners! Ayan pa naman po, pakipicturean sila na hawak nila yung kanilang mga premyo. Ilabas mo yan. Be proud! Pati yung mga ito, isama mo na. Ayan.